Hello students. In our last video, we have already learnt about various countries in the political map. Today we will mark the physical features of Asia in reverse map of Asia. The vast continent of Asia, like any other continent, does not have a uniform landscape. There are variety of physical features that have been classified into the physiographic divisions like the northern lowlands, the central mountain belt, the southern plateaus, the river valleys, the island groups, and the Mesopotamian plains. Some of the physical features which we will mark today are Himalayas, Deccan Plateau, Indochina Peninsula, Plateau of Arabia, Zagros, Elbrus, Pamir Knot, Hindu Kush, Tian Shan, Kunlun, Karakoram, Ural Mountains, Yablonovi, Altai, Kinghan, Verkhoyansk, Caspian Sea, Persian Gulf, Sea of Japan, Yellow Sea, East China Sea, South China Sea, Bering Sea, and Red Sea. The northern lowland stretches from the Ural Mountains in the west up to Yablonovi and Verkhoyansk Mountains. Below Yablonovi is Kinghan, and next to it is Altai Mountains in the northeast, as you can see in the map. The central mountain belt consists of the chain of mountains that radiate from Pamir Knot. Now you can see in the map the highest point is Pamir Knot in Central Asia. These highlands divert from west to east. Among the several ranges that radiate from Pamir Knot in different direction are the lofty Himalayas. Now these are lofty Himalayas, you can see here. The Himalayas extend in the southeast direction. To the north of Himalayas, also stretching to northeast, is the Karakoram range. See in the map here, this is Karakoram range. The Kunlun mountain range also radiate in northeast direction from the Pamir Knot. As we move further north, we find Tian Shan mountains. The Hindu Kush run towards west of Pamir Knot. Now if we see the location of Zagros mountains, the Suleiman range extends towards west up to Zagros mountains. Hindu Kush also extends up to Elbrus. Some old and hard plateaus lie in the southern part of Asia. The three plateaus that form the physiographic division south of central mountain belt are: first is Arabian Plateau, see in the map, Deccan Plateau, and Indochina Peninsula. First is Arabian Plateau. It lies in the Arabian Peninsula, covering almost the entire country of Saudi Arabia. See its location here. The plateau has steep slope towards the Red Sea. This region is entirely a dry desert. Next is Deccan Plateau. It covers the peninsular land of India. The plateau has steep slopes towards the west. Next is Indochina Peninsula. This lies to the east of India in Myanmar and China. See its location. Now if we come towards seas, coming to seas towards west lies the Caspian Sea. Below Caspian Sea is Persian Gulf, and towards west is Red Sea. Now coming towards east lies the Sea of Japan. Yellow Sea, here is East China Sea, South China Sea, and Bering Sea towards north. With this, we have completed the physical map of Asia. Today, Mark all these features in the reverse map of Asia with proper labeling and neatness. Thank you.